Hey there! Are you having trouble with muted notes on Instagram? Don't worry. In this video, we will show you how to unmute notes on Instagram step by step. The first step is to locate the muted note on your Instagram account. To do this, go to your profile and tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings, and then Privacy. Next, scroll down and look for the Muted Account button. Please tap on it. Here you'll find a list of accounts whose note you've muted. Once you have located the account with the muted note, simply tap on their profile to open it. Then, tap on the following button in their profile. From the menu, select Mute and then toggle off Notes option to unmute their notes. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to unmute notes on Instagram. Remember, if you ever need to mute or unmute notes on Instagram again, simply follow these steps, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching.